This vacuum we have here is designed to make everyday cleaning faster, easier, and far less frustrating, especially if you are dealing with pet hair, dust, or quick messes around the house. It is lightweight, cordless, and built for convenience without sacrificing performance. Today we have the Levoit Cordless Vacuum LVAC-200 practical cleaning solution made for modern homes. Before we start our review, I want to mention that this vacuum was sent to us in exchange for a review, and this is a paid collaboration. While I appreciate the support from the brand, this will not affect my honest thoughts whatsoever, and my review will remain 100% genuine and unbiased as always. First off, let's start with the unboxing. As you can see, it is straightforward. You will find the vacuum itself along with the component, charger, and everything else. One of the first things you notice with the LVAC-200 is how lightweight it is. You can easily grab it for quick cleanups without feeling like you are dragging around a heavy appliance, which is really convenient. Being fully cordless makes it perfect for apartments, houses, stairs, and even quick spot cleaning when you don't want to pull out a full-size vacuum. This vacuum is especially useful for homes with pets or long-hair people. The tangle-resistant roller is designed to pick up more hair while dealing with fewer tangles, whether it's human hair or pet hair. This means less time cutting hair off the roller and more time actually cleaning. It is built to handle different floor types and surfaces. With the included attachments, you can easily move from hard floors to carpets, furniture, tight corners, and other hard-to-reach areas. And the 2-in-1 cervic tool is great for edges, couch seams, and car interiors, and everything in between, adding even more flexibility. And with up to 50 minutes of runtime, this vacuum gives you plenty of time to clean multiple rooms on a single charge. It is ideal for everyday maintenance cleaning without constantly worrying about battery life running out mid-session. And when it comes to emptying, the dustbin is quick and mess-free thanks to the one-click release system. When it's full, just hold it over the trash bin and empty it instantly, which makes maintenance so simple and easy. And as the filters are washable and reusable, helps you get the most out of them over time, which saves you a lot of money. And the roller itself is detachable and washable too, making it easy to keep everything clean and working efficiently. The LVAC-200 uses a 5-stage filtration system that effectively captures and holds pet hair, dander, and fine dust. This makes it a solid option for pet owners and anyone dealing with allergies who wants cleaner air along with cleaner floors. And when it comes to power, as you can see, it is really powerful and it literally can clean any spot, whether it's on carpet or hardwood floor or anywhere else. And as you can see, the suction power is super strong. Whether it's small bits of bread or rice or anything else, it definitely sucks it really good and it does an amazing job. Overall, the Levoit Cordless Vacuum LVAC-200 delivers a great balance of lightweight design, strong everyday performance, and easy maintenance. It is especially well suited for pet owners, busy households, and anyone who wants a simple, reliable cordless vacuum for daily cleaning tasks. That's pretty much everything I have for you today about this amazing Levoit cordless vacuum, the LVAC-200. I hope you guys find this review helpful and useful, and that it helped you decide whether it's the best vacuum for your home. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more tech-related reviews. And if you have any questions or comments, as always, feel free to drop them down below in the comments section. I will also leave a link in the description for your convenience if you want to get yours and enjoy fast, tangle-free cordless cleaning in one vacuum. See you in the next video. Peace.